Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online English language lessons we offer. Yesterday was the 13th day in a row that I found myself having to work, and as you can imagine, I was starting to feel a bit frazzled, a bit drained by the middle of the day. And at around 1 o'clock, just before I had to do my last session of the day online, my son started having a little meltdown because my wife had asked him to go and practice the piano. He then started moaning and moping around the house, and this kind of behaviour started really winding me up. In the end, I had a meltdown of my own. I completely lost it and started screaming and shouting at him, telling him that if he didn't want to practice, that was fine. I wouldn't bother paying for piano lessons anymore. I later reflected that basically everyone in my house, after nearly 3 months of lockdown, is reaching the end of their tether. I know I'm certainly at the end of my tether. If you say that you're reaching or that you're at the end of your tether, it basically means that you no longer have the strength or patience to deal with a difficult situation. You're angry and upset because you recognise that you can't cope with this situation anymore. I'm sure it's a feeling that's familiar to many of you at the moment after a year of lockdowns and the pandemic. Thankfully, here, schools are actually reopening tomorrow. And like many parents up and down the land, I'm heaving a sigh of relief at the prospect. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, share it with your friends or with other students that you know, and be sure to leave examples of times when you've reached the end of your tether in the comment section below. Thank you.